coming, but it is going like it's not like it's occupying more space. We need to set it back. Yeah. Close it. Okay, we have to adjust these things. It is not getting. Okay, we try finally. Okay, automatically it will adjust. You have to. Okay, no problem. You need to set. It's not coming. Some it's going. Okay, this is the window. It has to come like that. What we will call it as a object explorer. Okay, object explorer means you will get like this. What you can do, you can adjust this. It's not adjusting. It has to adjust very carefully. We need to maintain. Okay, like this. In 1 minute, I try to restart the machine. Set of objects is called a database. What is that objects? Set of objects is not a, what is database? What is that? Objects is nothing but tables, store procedures, views, triggers, rules, constraints, indexes. These are the objects. Now I want to create a table. I want to create a view. I want to create a stored procedure. How to do that? You have to select any database. Okay, in left side you can see the Explorer, right? There you can create a table or a view or a stored procedure, whatever you want. But for DBAs, this is not required more and more. Like, what is what you need to know about that? 1 minute, it is taking time. Why? Because of we have to give more memory for these VMs, but we don't have that much of memory in our computers, right? That is the reason It is taking time and eating more consumption of memory, everything. Even though it is coming like that only, it has been spoiled. Okay, no problem. We'll continue with the Object Explorer. You know that. We'll see. I will open. This is the Object Explorer. Okay. Mm, Here, the databases are there, whatever databases we created. Now I want to work out, create a table and create a anything. See, objects, views, synonyms, programmability, stored procedures, functions, sequences. Kindly mute from your end. That will, I'm recording. It will be okay. These things will be happening. So you can write whatever you want to do that. Suppose I want to write a table. I want to create a table. You can create a right click and you can do that. This is not a best practice, I can say. I'm creating a table right now with using GUI method. Okay, column name. What column ID? Data type. Data type, we need to know about that. Data types, couple of data types we need to see. What is that? Suppose if I want to add one integer, means employee ID, you need to create integer with, you have to mention integer, date, like that you need to do that. Date, suppose ID, what is that? Integer. You can name. I will tell you like both ways. I will explain. Name is a character. Okay, but in lot of types of characters is there, but companies are using varchar. Okay, 50 up to it will go for 50. You want to increase, you can increase it, not required. Then date of birth, for example, you can use date, small data. So many types are there. Date and time, only date I want. Okay, now city. This is also variable or character, some. Okay, in data type, length up to 10 it will be allowing. These things are not required more and more for DBS. Just you need to know. Okay, now I want to save it. Give the table name. Okay, which database it is creating, which database it is creating means, give, it will give the some hint. Server name dot database name. There is a database name called hello. In that database you are creating table name. By default table underscore one, see here, you can see that. But name, give some name like employee, like now it is changing to employee. See. Okay, now object explore, go to the object explore, because we changed the adjustment, it's happened. See, whatever statistics creates, you can do that. Now insert some values into the table. Okay, close it, go to this design. Design is like you can add one more column. I will tell you, designing means you can add a column. You can change the data type. One more city is country. Also, I'm doing that. Or country currency, if you want to do that. I want to give varchar. Any data type based on your requirement, you can do that. Save it. Okay, this column has been saved now. Close it. Now here design is something like. Now I want to insert the data. Okay, design is like you will edit your columns. You want to alter the column. You want to add the column. You can see here. I want to insert some values here. Go to edit. Insert it now. What you can one name. My name I am typing. Date of birth. Mm, I think what is that? How to do 0 0 2 sorry something okay 2000 something you want to give data one. Okay, and now see automatically it is changing 2018 second month date. Okay, city Hyderabad, country India. Now go second value. Okay, some fires is there is data but I am giving to 7 2009 something. This changing. This city also Hyderabad, India. Now you can save it this. Okay, you can save. Save button. Close it. Now I want to see this now. Data. Select top 1000. But we don't have 1000. Yeah, see this. Top 1000 query it has been displayed here. Now select star. Like this you can do. Not only like this. Now query basis I'm coming with query basis. Some control. You can increase this. You can increase the font size. See here. And I'm selecting select star from table name EMP. Same. Star is nothing but number of columns is there. ID column, name, DOB, city, country is there. Okay. Star, if you give the star, what columns you have in the particular table, that completely it will be displayed like this. Suppose I don't want date of birth. I don't want country. How to do that? Means select ID I want, comma, name, comma, only city I require. Only these 3 columns. Then you can give like this. Okay, these are basic, very, very basic SQL. Okay, if like this you can, and now select, you completed. We need to know about some basic SQL. What is that? Basic SQL means now 1 minute. Now I selected. I'm planning to insert some values. I want to delete that. How to do? What is that? SQL structured query language. See, I want to insert some data. Insert, right? I want to update some data. Means I want to change the name of some people. Fayaz, in that name, I want to replace with Muhammad. How to do that? That we need to use update. Okay. I don't want Sharath. I want to delete it. Okay. Okay. I want to select the data. Select it. If you are using these 4 commands, it will comes under DML, data manipulation language. Okay. Now we created a table. Create. We need just now we altered the column. Added. Alter. I don't want the table completely drop. I don't want the data completely. Data, only data, structure should be there. Means Structure means what? Here ID, name, city. I should have, but data should not have. Suppose here only 2 records. If you have 1 million records, means what? We need to not required. Truncate. Okay.
Question.
No, that is the thing. No, this comes under DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Okay. Now, uh, I want to save permanently. By default, SQL Server is auto save by default. But I want to save completely. Suppose you want to do enable transactions, all those things. That we'll call it as a commit. Okay, committed means save. Now, I don't want this data. You inserted some values, and now I want to roll back it. I want to make it undo. That we'll call it as a rollback. And suppose you are inserting some huge records, some 1 lakh or something like 100 records you are inserting. You are increasing the salary for some people. Now I'm inserting some time. Okay, I want to roll back. I don't know that. Okay, I may commit. I may be roll back. What we need to do? I will keep one breakup points. Save point 1. Again save point 2. Again save point 3. If you want to commit, you can commit it. No, I don't want this data. Roll back to second level, save point 2. Roll back to save point 1. That if you want to do that, you can do. That I will show you. Save point is very important. That's they will ask you in interview question. This. Okay. This will call it as a transact control language. Transact control language. Okay, now you are a DBA. One guy is Fayaz, for example. Fayaz is a developer. Okay, you have to give some permissions. Means you have to give some permissions to him. Whether you want to select him or whether you want to give alter or drop or truncate based on your requirement. Means that comes a grant. Okay, that now I don't want Fayaz left the company, Sharath left the company to another company. You want to remove that access, right? That we'll call it as a remove. These both comes under data control language. Now, here itself, we did something. We created a table with GA method. Okay, we inserted the data and automatically save means committed, and we altered country, we added, right? That is that. Remaining we need to see that how to do that. We'll see. Go to object explorer, insert this. Now I want to remove this column, altering, delete it, delete the column, save it. Means you altered. Now see this. You can give select stuff. It gone. What we did, country, what the data is gone. We drop that. Okay, means we did that. And I want to insert some values. I want to alter now. I want to make it like city and father name or some other name, designation. First, whichever you want to make it, keep it, save it, and see now. Insert designation is not there here. Okay, what we did, altered, drop, like this. Truncate. Truncate is nothing but where what we need to do, close it. Object Explorer, very difficult. I need to adjust these things. Okay. Edit. Truncate means what? Remove this, all those things. That's it. Delete. One by you need to delete. Okay. Mm, save it. Cleared means truncated. There is option is there. It's saved in taking time. Okay, it's not saved. Edit. One by you have to remove this. Delete. Delete. It is coming. It's a bit difficult, right? Okay. Sometimes J method is difficult. This, because of this, we need to know command line. Now I will close it within 2 minutes. I will do that. Now you can see what is the command I told. Complete data, truncate from truncate table. Which table? This is the syntax you need to know about that. Incorrect syntax. Truncate, spelling wrong. Truncate table, table name. Okay, now see this. Okay, structure is there, data is there. Data you can't see now. Okay, that is called truncate. I want to insert some records right now. What is the syntax in query basis? Insert into your table values. What values? You have to calculate that. ID you have, right? 101 or 11. I got it. Name. Any like a term. Date of birth. What date of birth we can give? Anything. 02, 06, something like, okay. Potato, let it be taken. Comma. City. New York. Comma. Designation. Senior DBA. Insert. Like this you can insert. Okay, now we inserted in command line. You want to insert number of series. Now select it. Term. Okay, 2020 it is. Okay, not a problem. Just whatever maybe, like it, take it. You want to insert some more. Change. If you made, see now, 12 before 4. I'm replacing with some other name. Date of birth. Okay, New York. I'm from Hyderabad. Senior DBA. See, inserted. Like this, you can do that. Now what we did, we selected, truncated, inserted, update. I want to update some city to some designation. Tom is a junior DBA. You want to change to like design the designation you want to change. Update. Query basis, go there and you can update. Update. Which column designation equal to junior DBA. I forgot the query because disturb sharing your screen. You can see my screen, I think so. Now update which table based on the requirement, you can change that. Okay, set both names, both columns you are changing here. You want to change one column, that is also you can do. I'll show you now. I want to change city. Which table you want to change? Employee. Okay, set name here. What is that? We have name column. Name. I'm changing complete name. Tom Rippinger. Something. City. Alento. Okay. Which one city you are changing? Tom also you are updating with different name. Which one is that? ID equal to 11. This is the command. Now you are updating the table. Updated. Select store from EMP. See this. You updated the name and city. Okay. Now I want to update only one column. Designation I want to make it. Update. Okay. Which one you want to update? Designation. Based on the requirement, you have to change all those. Designation. I'm a junior level DBA. Not a junior level, just I'm giving that design. See, designation DESIN, that is why I don't want anything. Close it. Only one column where ID equal to 12. Sorry, 12. In this column, you are updating now. Which ID? 12, right? You want to update. In this 12 design place, you are updating with the junior level DBA. Done. Now see that. Right? Now you see, we insert, we update, select, truncate, alter, create, we did that. Okay, and I want to delete it. Delete from table name. What is the table name? EMP. Okay, now select it. Data is there. Have you noticed that? Deleted also same, truncated also same thing happened. What is the difference then? Any idea? What is the difference between delete and truncate? Some basic level. We need advanced also. Now I will tell you that. See, uh, both are same. Now I am inserting some data. You can insert, if you keep it F5, it automatically it will be inserted some records. Okay, see, if I type F5, it will be inserted some data. Okay, dummy data, duplicate will be coming, not a problem. We have some data inserted. Now truncate it. Now see this.
Truncate delete like all rows and columns. and delete one column, right?
No, it's C here. Ah, that is also I was supposed to say. I will tell you that. Sorry. Now inserting. Okay. I'm using delete now. 25 rows affected means deleted. Nothing. What is the difference? Now I will insert some values. I will show you. If you give truncate, complete data will be going. Complete data will be destroyed. Only structure will be there. Complete data will be deleted permanently. Now I am changing this one. 13 name 1 inserted somewhere. Okay. 14 and one more one something. And this guy is different like that. Inserted. Okay. One guy is another guy is 2. Value is 13. Okay. Now see this, select the data. See, all these are all duplicate data. Okay. In delete option, if you go for truncate, there is no meaning. It will be completely 55 rows are there that will be deleted permanently. In truncate, okay, in delete option, you can delete by row level. I want to delete this one. Yes, means it's not possible here. Okay, I can give 4, it will be deleted. 13, it will be deleted. 14, it will be deleted. You can delete any column, any row, whatever you want. See now, I want to delete 13. What is the command? Delete where class. You can use in delete, you can use where class. Where id equal to 13. Two records are there, right? Which are two records? It will be deleted. Two records deleted. Now see, the 13 is not there. Okay, like this. I want to delete 12. Completely 12. All related to 12, it will be deleted. 52 rows, gone. Only one. Why? Because of this guy is only there. Means supposed to say, if you use delete, you can use where class. Means whatever you want to do that. Okay. This is the difference between truncate and delete. But as a DBA point of view, this is not the answer. Later tomorrow, you see the difference between delete and truncate. Tell me tomorrow. That is, make it a homework like that. What is the difference? This is an interview question. This is truncate and delete. You can say easily. Delete, you can give where class wherever you want. You can do that. Truncate, you can't give where class. That is okay. But DBA point of view, this is not the answer. Okay, then see you some other topic. We'll go with. We have seen insert. I'll show you. Delete, select, update. We have seen that. Create, truncate also we'll see in that. Create, alter, drop. We'll see now. Alter also we've seen in command line. Create table. Which table you want to do that? EMP, some department table within brackets. ID, integer, comma. Which department name? Which data type? Where, how much you want to give? Comma. Okay. Or city, which city that department is located. This is called like this, comma 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 you can give, and you can create a table. Different data types you can do that. That is called create. Now see, select star from department, you can see select star from department like this. There is no meaning of there is only 3 columns. I want to insert. You can insert it. How to do that? Insert particular table, values, which value, ID, department name, and city. You can able to insert. That is done. Okay. Now alter table, add column. Now see that. Right. You see, alter table, department, add column name. Column name, I can give you country, data type. uh, I forgot. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, we'll see the command. I've actually 1 minute. No, sorry. Actually, I want to do. You can, which table I want to alter. What is our plan? Country, right? I am. Suppose if you forget, like we can do that. Google it and we can do alter table, department, column name, which name we are planning to do that, country. Okay, and data type is varchar. And done. Now see this, data will be empty. Country we added. We know that how to insert like this, right? And insert, truncate, we have seen, drop. Permanent drop table, table name, drop. That's it. You can't see here. See, you can close it. Okay, just leave it. As you can see the tables. You can see normally you can see here, but the table is there. It's not there, that department. If you create again in that object explore, you can see here. Our setting has been changed, right? It's very complicated. I will do that. You can see that. Now we have seen completely. What is that? Like created, altered, drop, truncate, select, update. We have completed. What is this? Transact, commit, rollback. This we'll see. I think so.